What is up, everybody? This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and today we are doing another recipe, another older recipe, another remake, because the photos were like really bad. This is my vegan orange chicken. I know it's not real chicken. I use cauliflower. I bread it, bake it, has the same texture as chicken. The sauce is incredible. It's an easy recipe, and here we go. So we've got our recipe, and we got some, it looks like a lot of stuff, but it's not. I mean, the vegetables are for the stir fry, the flour and the milk, and the salt and the pepper and the garlic powder. That's all for the batter for the cauliflower. Everything else is for the sauce. So it looks like a lot. It's not. It's going to be super easy, I promise. There's the soy sauce. This is all for the sauce. We got the orange, of course, for the orange chicken. Some maple syrup. Some ginger. I got some brown sugar back there. I'm using arrowroot now instead of cornstarch. So much better. So here's our cauliflower. Obviously, you don't want them too small, like that tiny little thing, or too big. That one right there is about right. So bite size. We're going to make our batter. There's our flour. We're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. Now, this is not gluten-free. I'm sorry. If you want to try a gluten-free flour, go for it. I have no idea how it'll turn out. But we're going to whisk all that together. Add our milk. And this is going to be like a really thick pancake batter. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Get it nice and smooth. And here comes the messy part. And there's no easy way to do this. You just kind of grab one, dip it in, and smear it around until it's nice and covered. I got my baking sheet over there with the parchment paper on it. There we go. Yeah, it's goopy, but it tastes good. So we're going to do all of these. Get them all nice and battered up. And I'll fast forward a little bit here. There we go. Ready to go in the oven. About 20 minutes. Doesn't take that long. Meanwhile, we're going to make our sauce. So we're going to start with some veggie broth, low sodium. And we're going to add some rice vinegar. You can find that in a grocery store. Now, the old recipe had white sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Still refined, still processed. Sorry. You need some kind of sweetener in this. There's our soy sauce, because this is like a sweet and sour orange sauce. There's the maple syrup. I replaced the brown sugar in the old recipe with maple syrup. I replaced the white sugar in the old recipe with the brown sugar. So it's still got sweetener. There's our orange juice. Again, use whatever kind of sweetener you like. It's going to have some kind of sweetness, so it's going to be too tart. There's our orange zest. You can get a zester and grate the orange part. We're going to add some garlic powder. And some ginger. And by all means, you can use fresh garlic and fresh ginger too if you want. Whisk that all together. This is my arrowroot slurry. It's like a tablespoon of the powder, 2 tablespoons of water. You stir it up. Pour that in. It thickened instantly. I was really shocked. And now the stir fry. Throw in our mushrooms. Add some kind of liquid, veggie broth, water, whatever, so it doesn't stick. And we're going to add that red bell pepper. We've already cut it up into slices. Stir, stir, stir. This is a stir fry. Keep everything stirring. I got an entire bunch of green onions I chopped up. Throw those in too. White parts and a green. Stir, stir, stir. Meanwhile, there's our cauliflower that's been baked. It's ready. We just kind of gently stir that in. You don't want to be too rough with it. Got batter around it. Breading. And then you just pour the sauce on top. I mean, that's really the whole recipe. You bake your cauliflower pieces, you make your sauce, you start to stir fry, you mix it all together. And you put this on rice, you can put it on noodles. It is so good. This was my wife's favorite recipe from when we used to go to Panda Express. She loved orange chicken. Of course, it's so greasy and it's chicken. So she wanted something close, and I came up with this, and it perfectly satisfies that craving for greasy takeout from Panda Express. Hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. All the ingredients, all the instructions will be on the website. I'll put a link down below in the description. Like I said, I do these every single week, showing you guys how easy it is to cook plant-based, how easy it is to cook vegan, Hope you are getting something out of it. I know I enjoy it, and I love to cook, so hopefully this is helping you. And if it does, please leave those comments. Let me know. Anyway, we'll do it again next week. And once again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and thanks for watching.